Hello again! Oops, I guess I'm just too excited. And today I'm going to show the real part of how to make a browser with the codes inside, and you can see them in the description below. And so let's get started, and remember, and you should see the part 1 and part 2 of how to make a browser using Visual Studio. So just follow the instructions carefully. And you need to type something called Chromium web browser, and you can just type the anything one like CEF or like anything you wanna, just like on anything you want. So yeah. This panel too, yeah, I got a better just rename this component so we won't miss that with the panel 2. So let's just rename that to web browser. Now it will change by itself, so you don't need to worry about it. With controls and add chef. Yeah, just add the chef into the web browser panel control. Yeah, and now you can add another one called that's not an add, and the chef equals new Chromium web browser. Yeah, that's pretty easy. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, let's change the name to txt URL, like text box URL or anything. Yeah, this lesson will be very interesting. And yeah, chef dot load. Oopsies, I just forgot to add something. You can just say google.com or bing.com. Yeah. Okay, now I just prefer to use google.com. And let me see. Yeah, let's use these buttons. Okay. Back, forward, and reload buttons. And if cf dot can go back, cf dot back. Oops, I just forgot something. And you can just copy this line of code. Yeah, I just forgot to copy that. And paste it here. And change the back into forward. Remember the forward, the first. And yeah, just follow the instructions carefully, or else there will be errors when you are writing this. And now the reload is chef dot reload, and it need to be capital letters. So yeah. And now for the text box. Yeah, the text box. And now let's get the key up. Key up. Where are you, key up? Aha, there you are. Key up. Okay. And let me type. This is kind of hard for typing this. I maybe need a key code. Let's remember it. And keys dot enter. Yeah. Let me just skip this. And now we've typed the finish one. Then you can get the code in the description. Yeah, let's now run the. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, now this. There's something wrong. Yeah, oh yeah, I just forgot to make this. Yeah, now this. And you can get this code from the. Yeah, this one, just txt url.text, and now let's run the program. And there's something wrong. Let me try to fix it and think what's going on. Let's just rerun the program. Let's just not click that. Let's see what if I type google.com. There's some really weird things. Yeah, kind of weird. Oh, yeah. Then remember to change those things. So that's all, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.